Hello everyone, Vaibhavi here. Back for another round of Hindi with Vaibhavi. Did you enjoy our first lesson on greetings and numbers? I hope so. So today we are going to see simple present tense in Hindi. Are you ready? Let's get started. So in Hindi, like in English, we use I, she, he, they, we, you, subjects, right? So these are the pronouns we use in English. But these pronouns, so for Hindi we have different pronouns for these subject. Like for I we use मैं, okay? For I we use मैं. For she we use वह, okay? For he we use वह. For they we use वे. For we use हम. For you we use आप, formal way. And if you want to say informal way, you can use तू. तू, informal, okay? So these are the subjects we are going to use in our Hindi sentence. मैं, वह, वे, हम, आप, तू. Okay, so let's get started. So let's take first example. So this is our first example. I eat. Okay. For I eat we use मैं खाता हूँ. So I'm writing this sentence in Hindi. In English. But we don't use English letters for writing. We use Devanagari Lipi. Okay. But here in this course I am focusing on only speaking. That's why I am not writing Devanagari Lipi here. Okay. मैं खाता हूँ. Okay. Next sentence is he eats. Okay. So at that time for he, which subject we use? वह, right? वह खाता है. Got it? My next sentence is she eats. She eats. Here how will you say? वह खाती है. Why khati? Because whenever if subject is female, that time always end your simple present tense sentence with the ती है. खाती है, वो पीती है, right? वो पढ़ती है. So always ती and है at the end. And for male, always ta at the end. Ta, is for this dash dash you will use Hindi verb and at the end ta. Okay, ta hai. Like वो खाता है, he eats. तो वो खाता है, वो और वह. You can use both the words. वह it's more formal, and if you want to say informal way, what you will say? वो. Okay, वह खाता है. This is formal sentence. So always remember for male at the end ta. For example, if there instead of subject there is name, like John eats. At that time how will you say? John खाता है. Why John खाता है? Because John is male. That's why at the end there is ta in Hindi sentence. Okay. For example, one more. For example, any Seema. Okay. Seema खाती है. Why खाती है? Why not खाता है? Because Seema is female. That's why at the end we are using T है. Got it? This is how it should be. Next is they. So I just want to tell you these sentences are formal way. I mean, if you want to say in formal way, you can use these sentences. Formal. Okay. And no, I think here. And if you want to say informal way, how will you say? Let me copy this one. वो खाता है. वो खाता है. This is informal sentence. वो खाती है. Okay. I think you got my point. Next is we eat. Okay. For this sentence, how will we say in Hindi? हम खाते हैं. Okay. So remember, whenever there is we as a subject, you need to end your sentence with te hai. Okay. वो खाते हैं, वो पीते हैं, वो नाचते हैं, वो तैरते हैं. Okay. हम खाते हैं. We eat. Next sentence is just a minute. Yeah. Next sentence is they eat. For they eat, how will you say? वे खाते हैं. वे खाते हैं. So for they also we will use te at the end. वे खाते हैं. Okay. Next is you. You eat. आप खाते हैं. आप खाते हैं. This is a formal way to say this sentence. Like if you want to say informal way, how will you say? तू खाता है if that second person is male. तू खाता है. This is informal way to say. Okay. And for if that second person is female, how will you say? तू खाती है. Got it? So if you I mean here in India, if we use mostly use aap for talking. So if you are talking with your friends and your siblings, that time only use tu. Otherwise don't use tu while making sentence in Hindi. Always say aap. One more thing I just want to tell you, that is if here suppose if all are male, वे खाते हैं. If all female for they, that I want to tell you. Just a minute. They eat, okay, all female. In this case, how will you say? वे खाती है. Got it? And if all male, वे खाते हैं. All male or mix, both for वे खाते. Okay? All male or mix, or we can say both, M and F. That time वे खाते हैं. Okay, so let's take another example, which is I drink. So I drink. How will you say? For I we use word मैं. मैं. मैं पीता हूँ. If that person is, if first person is male, that time only you can use this line मैं पीता हूँ. Okay. Dash dash ता हूँ. If that first person is female, that time how will you say? मैं पीती हूँ. मैं पीती हूँ. So always remember, as per gender, you need to change your verb. Like ta, ti, you need to add the suffix to the verb. ती हूँ. मैं पीती हूँ. Next is he drinks. He drinks. He male gender, right? वो पीता है. This is informal way to say. वो पीता है, informal. Formal, वह पीता, it's not पीता, yeah, पीता है. वह पीता है. वो पीता है. वो पीता है. वह पीता है. Formal. For she drinks, वह पीती है. Why पीती? Because female, that's why पीती. So if you observe, at the end, whenever there is female sentence, at the end there is t at the end, right? So see, पीती, वह पीती है, formal. वो पीती है. Got it? This is a informal way to say. Next is they. They drink. They drink. वे पीते हैं. All male or both male and female, that time you can use वे पीते हैं. Our sentence is they drink, वे पीते हैं. Okay. Next is you. You drink. आप पीते हैं. Okay. And this is a formal way, and informal way is तुम और तू पीता है. तू पीता है. तू तू पीती. तू पीती है. Why तू पीती है? If that second person is female, that time how will you say? तू पीती है. This is a informal way. Okay. And तू for male, तू पीता है. Next sentence is we drink. We drink. How will we say we drink? हम पीते हैं. हम पीते हैं. For we use हम, right, as a subject. So we हम पीते हैं. And that's it. So thank you for today. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Till then, happy learning.